Hello and welcome back to the Life of Pierre channel. From the Temple of Leia to Sachiko's Little Kyoto, we are now going to Sirao Pictorial Garden and have a lunch at the Top of Cebu restaurant. Let's go! Pero bago tayo pumasok sa loob ng garden, let's have a quick snack first para marami tayong energy. Nagutom kasi kami sa aming paggala sa Temple of Leia at sa Little Kyoto. At sakto na rin na maraming pagkain dito, such as banana Q, inihaw na mais, fruits, shakes, and drinks. Sirao Pictorial Garden is just minutes away from Sachiko's Little Kyoto. Maraming pumupunta dito na local and international tourists para makita ang magagandang view and flowers. The Sirao Pictorial Garden is one of the famous tourist spots here in Cebu. If you are looking for a place with a beautiful mountain view, Instagrammable sites, and a lot of pictorial spots to go to, this is the place for you. We paid an entrance fee of 100 pesos per head. Huwag niyong kakalimutan magdala ng payong para hindi kayo madaling mapagod or mainitan. Marami kasing tao at may pila din sa mga spots kung saan kayo magte-take ng pictures. Madali lang din naman ang pagte-take ng turns para sa pagkuha ng photos kasi mindful naman ang mga tao na merong sumusunod sa kanila. Pwede rin kayong magdala ng tripod na may Bluetooth remote kung nahihiya kayong makisuyo na magpa-picture sa ibang tao or tourists. The Sirao Pictorial Garden is a beautiful place for pictorials and a place where you can appreciate the beauty of nature and the landscapes of Cebu. Pagkatapos naming makapag-picture taking at makapag-ikot dito sa Sirao Pictorial Garden, tutungo na kami sa Top of Cebu restaurant kung saan kami kakain ng aming lunch. Let's go!
Nagutom and nahag si Marian. Adaghan.
Welcome to Tops. Dito located ang Top of Cebu restaurant kung saan tayo manananghalian.
Thank you. God bless. Tuyok tadi ako.
Tops is a place where you can find a lot of food establishments and enjoy eating while enjoying the panoramic view of the cityscape of Cebu.
Ay, brisket, teriyaki, spare ribs, barkada meal.
Inikot namin ang ilan sa mga restaurants na makikita dito sa Tops.
Top of meat. Steak. Up. Sir, sino? Ay, oh. Hello. Thai. Later, countdown later.
Pagkatapos ay kumain na kami ng lunch dito sa Top of Cebu restaurant. Masarap and affordable ang mga pagkain nila dito. Ma-e-enjoy mo ang simoy ng hangin at ang view habang kumakain. If you want to see the beautiful lights and the Cordova Bridge lights, you may enjoy your dinner here and watch the cityscape at night. Pagkatapos namin mag-lunch, pumunta kami sa part kung saan magandang pagmasdan ang Cebu. If you are afraid of heights, maybe this spot is not for you. Pero kung hindi naman, you may enjoy the view.
Sky 428, amazing.
After filling up our tummy and enjoying here at Tops and the Top of Cebu restaurant, it's time to hit the road again to go to our next destination, the Taoist Temple and Magellan's Cross. But we will save that for our next video. Maraming salamat sa panonood at pagsama sa aming journey. See you in our next adventure. This is Pierre of the Life of Pierre channel. Thank you for watching and God bless.